This has been a beautiful boondocking spot.
Yes.
But we're going to leave and go visit some friends today in Prince Edward Island.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As we were pulling out, I noticed something under the van. That's the bolt to hold the motor in place that lowers and retracts the steps. So we're not leaving right now. I'm going to have to crawl underneath there and see if I can tighten this back up.
At least you knew what it was.
Yeah, I know.
And where it goes. Hard to get to, isn't it?
Okay.
Just part of being on the road, isn't it?
Yes. You have to be able to work on things.
Yeah.
In order to be able to, you have to be able to work on things in order to be able to keep them running, because things just jar loose, especially when you're on dirt roads like this and you bounce around. So it's good to bring all this stuff. And now the next test is to see if it was still open.
Yay.
There you go.
All right.
Successful road repair. That was a great boondocking spot, wasn't
It
it?
was awesome. Got on the water, got to walk on the beach, walk down to the lighthouse.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Nice breeze.
Something you see every day, a full service station. I guess that other dirt road we had to be on that mountain road probably is what jarred the bolt loose.
Yeah.
This is really cool. This is this has got to be a forest road here. We are heading to the correct address. We've been on 4-lane roads and 2-lane roads, and everything's been paved, but this is a good one here. We've made it over the little ridge, and now we're going down. I can see the road down there. Look at what she got here. Look. No way. Oh, she's gonna love you forever. Maggie! Wait a minute, I like this. What is it?
What is it?
Well, thank you guys. So that's the reaction you want. That's like a child at Christmas time, isn't it? What did you get?
You got a lobster.
It's my lobster. You little nut. Maggie's out here heating up the boiler so we can make fresh lobster. He's out here cooking for us in the rain. How you doing, dude? Look good. Yeah, that had to hurt.
How many did you get?
4. Still haven't shown Maggie one. Oh.
No, you don't need to show Maggie one.
There we go.
Part of dinner tonight. These guys are treating us like kings.
I know.
Oh,
Oh, really?
man. You're a chef, man. You are a chef.
Just trying to get them.
Wait a minute, you're going to get it. Try
Just
this.
put it. No, I'm just going to get them.
Mussels are really good, aren't they? So we're pulling out of Mike and Kathy's right now, and I don't know, we didn't show a lot of that here, but every now and then you meet subscribers that are just precious, and you know that you're going to end up being friends forever. But they're definitely 2 of those. We thought we'd leave this morning and all would be good, but they made breakfast and they've just been the
Get over
best.
here. Car.
Teary-eyed as we leave, and we are too. So I don't want to hit their car.
And they're knock down their tree.
Whoa!
We'll take out another tree for you.
Okay, where's Mike? We good?
I don't show their house too much.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Have a great trip with yours, okay? We'll see you later.
So this is future Lynn and Owen, and we couldn't publish this video without popping in here and saying that we kind of made a mistake. We didn't want to film a lot of our time with Mike and Kathy because we didn't want to impose or show their home and put it on a video, and you know, we just felt like that was an intrusion of their privacy. So we didn't film a lot when we were with them, and now as we look back, and you know, that was one of our very favorite things that we did on PEI, was spending time with them.
Yeah.
And we just hate so much that we didn't capture that, not to publish it on the video, but for us in the future.
Yeah.
They told us a lot of stuff to go see, so most of the places that you're seeing us visit is because of Mike and Kathy.
That because of them. They fed us. You know, we thought maybe we would take them out to eat. They fed us as soon as we got there. They fed us the best lobster dinner and
Breakfast the next morning.
We just didn't feel like we could do this video justice without popping in and letting you guys know and letting them know how much our time with them meant to us. Maggie still snuggles with her little red lobster stuffed animal almost every day. It sits right there in her chair, and gosh, guys, it was the best.
It was the best.
I don't know which way we're supposed to go.
I don't either. Where are we going today? I don't even know.
I don't even know either. Let's figure that out.
Stop somewhere and figure all that out.
Yeah. What'd I do? Get more? Is that tea or is that?
I don't know what that is.